Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm from Group 7. Will presentation about supernatural belief serve as a tool of social control in rural society. This my group member. My name is Bahin Alaika Alfurkoni. Next second one is Ekaraga Saputra. And the last one, Fahrul Atinur Fatoni. This table of content or structure of presentation, I will do introduction, which is include about background, is a question and significant, and next argument, theoretical framework, support of argument, conclusion, and references list. This about is a question. How does KKN di Desa Penari 2022 portray supernatural belief as a tool of social control in rural society? And background is KKN di Desa Penari 2022 is based on a viral Twitter thread that later turned into a novel and film. This film revolves around a group of students doing community service or KKN in a remote village. In the film, the rural society are very protective of their streets being established and become absolute rules that regulate the social norms of society. And those who violate the existing rules will receive punishment, not only social punishment but also supernatural punishment such as curses and at least. And significant of the issue with Indonesia background of believing in spirits or the supernatural or animism. Almost all regions in Indonesia have belief or custom brought from their ancestors. There are some areas where the society is still traditional or choose to stay with all cultures. In Java, for example, in rural Javanese communities, belief in spirits and curses remain a living system of discipline, operating not through law but through cultural stories and mystical thread. This phenomenon is often used as the setting for many horror films in Indonesia, one of which is the film KKN di Desa Penari 2022. This film gained a lot of attention when it first released and became very popular. This essay argues that the film shows an ideological function which reinforces the fear of mystical retribution to regulate behavior, especially around gender norms and local custom. Next will be presentation by my friends.
Hello, my name is Faruladdin Fatoni and I will explain about our argument in our essay. So, supernatural beliefs play an important role in organizing social life in Sudanese society. For example, belief in spells, the word of supernatural being, and the notion that a central spirit still interact with the living encourage people to act in a certain way, especially in place considered as a sacred or mystical. Similarly, the people of Java Sunda maintain traditions such as the Seven Town ceremony to preserve their cultural heritage and prevent it from being lost to modernization. This belief rooted in ancestral custom, influencing social behavior, encouraging respect for tradition and social interaction. And these are our theoretical framework. The supernatural as a tool for ethical and social norm control. According to Rahmati and Hendro Kumoro 2023, in Sudanese society, mantras or spelling sayings such as Punten are used as a form of respect for supernatural being who consider to inhabit a place. This mantra function not only as a form of spirituality, but also as a means of controlling community behavior. Their research showed that around 81.3% of the respondents still consider these mantras relevant today. Despite the rapid development of technology, supernatural beliefs still play a role in maintaining social value and norm in society. The second theory is prohibition and consequences as a means of regulating community ethics toward nature and the others. According to Nurdin and Jamaluddin 2024, in their journal Pamali, Sacred Prohibition and Kualat, the consequence of breaking prohibition are important aspects in maintaining the social life of the community. These sacred prohibitions are often passed down from ancestors, and their violation is believed to cause natural disaster. The example of Pamali, such as the prohibition of cutting trees carelessly, aim to protect the nature environment. Thus, the prohibition and its consequence serve as a tool to prevent people's destructive behavior towards the surrounding nature. Thank you.
My name is Sekarangga Saputra, and now I will explain the evidence for our argument. The first evidence is from the research conducted by Alvan 2024 in Cigugur, Kuningan, West Java. He found that ADS, or Agama Jawa Sunda, plays an important role in maintaining social cohesion and cultural continuity through the cosmological teaching and rituals of the local community. And despite external pressure for cultural assimilation, they still choose to maintain their beliefs. And then the next evidence is, according to Kusmana et al. 2018, in their journal, the Sundanese community in West Java still believes in the existence of supernatural beings, such as Karuhun, Lelembut, and Siluman, which are considered to influence human faith and behavior. And the last evidence is in the journal, the relationship between belief system and traditional ecological knowledge among the Kuta indigenous people in Ciamis. Nurdin and Jamaluddin state that beliefs in Pamali and Kualat still strongly influences how the Kuta people interact with their environment and community. That shows that the use of supernatural belief as controlling tool for communities' behavior is still relevant in Indonesia. For conclusion, the film KKN di Desa Penari is one of many Indonesian horror film that reflect real-life practices where supernatural beliefs are used to discipline behavior and maintaining moral order. The use of supernatural beliefs to control social communities' behavior is not only happen in the film, but it is still relevant in some area in Indonesia, especially among the Javanese and Sundanese people. Further research could examine how young people interpret such depiction and whether they reinforce or reject the traditional authority.
That's all for my group presentation. This and this for references. And if you have any question, you can comment in below comment section. So that's all. Thank you for listening of my group.